This is Steve. Steve is the CEO of a successful factory. And this is John. He's also a CEO. 1 year on the job. Everyone always said Steve can manage. President of the student council, a scoutmaster, a veteran. Respect. John was also tagged as a born leader. Member of his university's Student Government Association 4 years in a row. Coach's assistant at Little League. Steve has a bachelor's in business management, straight A's, and an executive MBA, cum laude, naturally. John did just as well in business school, undergrad and graduate. Natural-born leader, right? Shh! Look at Steve speaking at the FRK Future Conference, telling everyone how he transported all the company's factories to Industry 4.0. And John? He's there too, sitting up front, taking notes, but he's not a speaker. Why? Because Steve implemented Factory Eye, and now he gets real-time data from all the production floors at 3 different industrial zones from every system. Thanks to this real-time intel, he gets precise recommendations for action and decision-making. And John? He'd rather stick to his gut. But that's not always enough. One day he'll come around. Or not.